Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Satriani binti Muhammad Saleh and matric number 262004. Alright, today I'm going to present a review movie that I study, which is the Nota movie. Okay, next we go to the person responsible for making this movie. Okay, directed by Anand Shankar and written by Shan Karukusami. Okay, this movie actually released on 5 October 2018. In this movie, we can also learn how responsibility is very important in carrying out the task assignment. Duration for this movie is 2 hours 33 minutes. Alright, before we start to the main case, let me show you the trailer for this movie.
సిటీలో ఉన్న చెరువులన్నీ నిండిపోయి ఇప్పుడు వెంటనే మన గేట్లు ఎత్తేస్తే చాలా ప్రాంతాలు మునిగిపోతాయి సార్. ఇప్పటికి ప్రెస్ మీట్ అనే న్యూస్ వచ్చింది. జస్ట్ గో విత్ ఫ్లో.
సార్ నాకు అసలు ఐడియా లేదు, ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లేదు.
ఈ వీడియో గేమ్ లో స్ట్రైట్ గా లాస్ట్ లెవెల్ కి ఆడాలి ఎప్పుడే.
ఆ కొత్త సినిమా కదా
నేను ఊరికే వదిలిపెట్టాను.
తెలుసు, డబ్బులు ఇస్తే వదిలేస్తారు.
నేను చెడ్డీ వేసుకున్న రోజుల్లోనే నీకంటే చాలా చేశాను.
మరి ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారి గవర్నమెంట్ వీడియో తెలుసా మంతేంటా చీటేంటా డమ్మీ సీఎల్ఏ మరి ఇంత డమ్మీయా ఇది ముఖ్యమంత్రి పదగారికి మ్యూజిక్ చేసే ఆట
ఇప్పుడు అర్ధరాత్రులు ప్రకటనలు చేయడం ఫ్యాషన్ అయిపోయింది.
టైం బాగాలేదని స్వామీజీ చెప్పారు.
ఓ స్టేట్ ఫ్యూచర్ అంతా ఒక స్వామీజీ చేతుల్లో. ఈ క్రైమ్ 10,000 కోట్లు చేతులు మారుంటాయని మా అంచనా. Well done, you fucking politicians.
20 ఏళ్ల బతికి అనుభవం ఉన్న నన్ను అడుగుడికి వాడేశారు.
అప్పుడే లా అండ్ ఆర్డర్ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. దానికోసమే సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ వెయిట్ చేస్తాం.
ఇది నాకు వచ్చిన అన్ని పరీక్ష.
అందుకని మన వాళ్ళని మనమే చేసుకుంటామా?
Okay, next we go to the main case in this movie. Okay, this is three main case in this movie. First, Varun. Second, Vinodan, and third is Mahendran. Okay, first, Vijay Deverakonda as Varun Subramaniam. He is the new chief minister in this movie. Varun is someone who dare to uphold the truth because Varun does like to see his employer get involved in abuse of power. Okay, next is Nasar. Nasar as Vinodan Subramaniam, father of Varun. Okay, Vinodan is someone who is selfish. Because he was indispensable to the power he possessed during his administration. Okay, third is Satyaraj as Mahendran. Mahendran is old friend of Vinodan wife, which is Varun, which is mother of Varun. Vinodan is someone who always advised to Varun because he is more experienced and aware of the politics in Tamil Nadu. Alright, next we go to the synopsis. In this movie, sitting Chief Minister Vinodan, who is facing imprisonment in an illegal asset case, made his son Varun the temporary CM Chief Minister until his return. The disinterested young man gradually wake up to the sorry state of affair and try to bring in a change. Vinodan's immense influence in party politics has led to protests in his arrest over riot in the city. One day, a heavy rain caused the dam be opened, but no opening notice was given to save many lives. As official truth, they had no received order from the chief minister. The situation was ridiculed by Varun by telling them to wait until Vinodan was released from the new prison to take action. The availability of secret account of political leader in Panama and measure of power led Varun investigate the matter and send a friend to help him investigate the matter. Okay, next ethical issue. The ethical issue that relate with this movie first is ethics. Ethics it become a theory relate to attention which drive the action. Ethics used to refer to concepts such as right or wrong, and good or bad in a moral context. For example, the abuse of power committed by Binodan through corruption in administration is unillegalized. Second is moral. Moral it is become method or approach to see to question on various issues related to behavior, which is action and decision. Moral discussion aspect is scope of morality, which is with relate to religion and law that differ according to culture and society. For example, Vinodan often sought the advice of Swamiji, who is one of the head of Hindu religion in Tamil Nadu, with a prediction of threat to his position as chief minister. Alright, third is value, which is integrity. Integrity refers to situation where one is not easily influenced by anything offered by him. Refer to all good, sincere and accurate, which is efficient action. For example, Sanchana already trapped Varun by ordering someone to put pill in his drink to use in his speech to gain the support for the people. 4 is ethical egoism. Ethical egoism refers to behavior of being selfishness and acting in self-interest. Being selfishness and acting in self-interest, for example, Swamiji has used Vinodan by making a 20 million USD agreement for his own benefit. 5 is utilitarianism. Basic of the theory propose that all good action or decision may produce a good outcome. Also propose all human beings to do what can benefit in public. For example, sitting chief minister Vinodan, who is facing imprisonment in an illegal asset, aimed at avoiding adverse effect on Tamil Nadu political and administration system. 6 is non-consequentialist. Non-consequentialists refer to stress on action being taken which is done, whether it is moral or unmoral. Okay, an action is judgment to be good or bad based on whether it complies with the obligation. For example, Varun realized the importance of his position after seeing a female student die from a bus fire caused by a riot by threatening the chief of the perpetrator at a press conference at the scan. Alright, next we go to the impact of the issue toward the society and country. Okay, this is two impact I give. First is the people have lost confidence in a leader, in particular who has an influential party in the country that could cause rust among the party followers. Second is social crime will be increased in the country, such as riot, public property damage and so on, because of protests from the people. Next we go to the suggestion. This is two suggestion I give. First is take action against government leaders involved in the abuse of power and turn government leaders into new one through fair election. Second is increase law enforcement through policy that guaranteed the welfare and well-being of the people. Okay, for the conclusion, ethics is an essential element of human life, especially in the context of individual relationship with other people, which is social life. The importance of ethics in the application of a movie, especially in the administration and management of organization, is because it guides people in their behavior. Alright, that's all for me. Thank you.